What a fine day it is, isn't it, everybody? To watch a tutorial video, and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Messenger something went wrong problem. So there's multiple ways on why this problem occurs. Sometimes it's a bug, sometimes it's due to lack of update, but we're gonna be going through them step by step so you guys would know how you guys can fix this problem. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado. First step is you want to open your Messenger, but if it doesn't opens up, then the first step you need to do is you want to go to your app store and search for Messenger. Once you search for Messenger, if it says open over here, it means your Messenger is up to date. But if it says update instead of open, you need to click on the update button so your Messenger will be updated. Once you update your Messenger, make sure to open your Messenger. It should open up. If it still doesn't opens up, the next thing you can do is restart your phone. After restarting your phone, try to open your Messenger. It should open up. If it still doesn't opens up, the next thing you can do is you want to go on your phone setting, and on your setting you want to scroll all the way down. Now this setting interface is for iPhone users. For Android user, you need to follow the setting instruction of your phone. Alright, for iPhone user, you come over here, scroll a bit down, go on where it says Messenger. Once you click on Messenger, make sure all this permission is turned on, and after turning it on, go back, try to open your Messenger. It should. If it still doesn't, you want to open your setting again, go on general, go on iPhone storage. Over here you want to search for Messenger. Once you see Messenger over here, click on it, click on offload app, click on offload app, and your app will be offloaded. After your app is offloaded, you want to click on reinstall button, and the reinstall button is going to be right here where it says offload app. Once you click on reinstall, your app will be reinstalled again. Once your Messenger is reinstalled, try to open your Messenger. It should open up. And if it still says something went wrong, you need to delete your Messenger and reinstall it again. That's the only last option to fix this. Alright, so that's how we guys can fix this problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then, everybody, and have a nice day. Peace out.